Hi guys, welcome to Groton, Massachusetts. I am right outside Bancroft's castle. This castle was built in 1906 by William Bancroft. It eventually burnt down in 1932 during a 4th of July fireworks incident. And what remains is the tower behind me. Hi guys, welcome to Pepperell, Massachusetts. I am standing on the Pepperell Covered Bridge, built in 1962. It spans the Nashua River. This is the first covered bridge I've been to. Very excited, very cool to check out. Next stop will be Townsend, Massachusetts. Hi guys, welcome to Townsend, Massachusetts. I am at the Willard Brook State Forest. For some reference, I'm heading west on Route 119 here in the northern part of Massachusetts. All these towns will be visiting border New Hampshire. For now, we are in Townsend. Let's see what we can find in this beautiful forest. Next stop will be Ashby. Hi guys, welcome to Ashby, Massachusetts. Right behind me is Trap Falls. We are still in the Willard Brook State Forest. But what a beautiful, beautiful spot here. As I speak, the leaves are coming down. It's windy, a bit windy. Wow. Just a gorgeous view to take in. Hi guys, welcome to Ashburnham, Massachusetts. I am at the Timber Lost Farm. Ashburnham was incorporated in 1765 and has a population of around 6,000 people. We're going to be heading to the town common next and see what we can discover. Hi guys, welcome to Winchendon, Massachusetts. Right behind me is Whitney Pond. I've been walking on the north central pathway for a little bit. A few fun facts about Winchendon. It is in Worcester County and has a population of around 10,000 people. Our next stop will be Royalston, Massachusetts. Hi guys, welcome to Royalston, Massachusetts. I am at Downs Falls. Right behind me is one of the falls. I don't know if you can hear me because it's so loud here. Definitely recommend visiting. This whole reservation is a short walk. You can see 4 or 5 different waterfalls. What a beautiful, beautiful area. Let's see what else we can find. Hi guys, welcome to Athol, Massachusetts. Right behind me is Silver Lake. Athol will be our final town of the day. Fun fact about Athol, it was incorporated in 1762. Let's see what else we can find here.